What is up, everybody? We have a real treat for you today. If you've ever wanted to do affiliate marketing, or if you've ever tried it in the past and it just didn't work for you, just couldn't get it to be profitable and you couldn't make sales, then this is a huge game-changing course for you. It came out a few months ago and we've really spent time vetting this course, and I can say after, I basically spent thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, probably dollars on training, on mentorship. You can even ask my accountant. And by far, this is the best run course, hands down. Robby has just knocked it out of the park. He came from a CrossFit gym background. You can tell he's really used to training people and to becoming better versions of themselves. He is very active in all of the groups. And I just cannot stress how much I'm impressed by the way he handles himself in the course. And so if you look at this screenshot here, this is actually what you'll see if you click on our link below. Disclaimer, we do get a small commission if you click on the link below to sign up for this course or just check it out. But that being said, we would not bring it to you if we did not 100% believe in it. And you'll see that we actually do believe in it 100%. We spent months going through this to make sure that it was something that could really add value to you. And I think that this is absolutely, without a doubt, if you buy one course this year, this is the one you should grab 100%. So if you click the video here, it'll talk about Robby's story, how he became the #1 ClickBank affiliate. And you can see down here, this guy's doing, on a low day, 15 grand. 40 grand, $43,000. I mean, these are his weeks here. So this is this year. He's doing $212,000 in 1 week, $242,000 in 1 week. And basically the pitch is that he's going to help get you to $1,000 a day. And he's got a lot of testimonials down here. And it's basically takes you through everything you need to know to basically run successful affiliate offers. Now, if you don't know what an affiliate offer is, we do have another video on affiliate marketing, but just the gist of it is that typically we make a lot of our money in our businesses selling physical products. Now the problem with that is you have to deal with customer service, you have to ship the product, you have to store the product, you have to order the product, you have to do all the kinds of things that are involved with products. I mean, they can be very profitable, but they also have a lot of hair on them too. Affiliate marketing is great because all you have to do basically is run the traffic. Now, be that organic or ads or whatever you choose to get the traffic from, that's all you have to focus on. On the back end, everything is handled by the company that you're selling for. So basically you get a commission. It can be as high as 90% on something that you'd sell. Typically there's 75% or 40%, 50%. We'll get back to this later because this is another huge benefit of being in the course. But regardless, all you have to do is drive the traffic. And so we're going to go in the back end of it just really quick to see. So proof that we actually do have an account, we have used them, and we are using them currently. And so basically this is the first part of the course. When you log in, you're going to see up at top here, there's like the basic menu. You get access to the free commission, to the included Commission Hero group. There's also the inner circle, which we're a part of. And then of course they have an affiliate program supports right here, and everything else. And so we'll just kind of go through some of the stuff you can see. First, it's just Robby introducing himself. And then in the Getting Started tab, he goes into a little bit more depth about what affiliate marketing is. So if you're just getting started, that's great. He talks about your ad accounts, how to set those up. This course basically focuses predominantly on Facebook ads. He talks about the landing pages he uses, which he uses ClickFunnels for it. There's a $97 a month plan for that, but definitely not that expensive once you start seeing the numbers that you can produce with this system. He talks about the two main affiliate sites that he uses, or like affiliate programs, marketplaces, if you will. ClickBank, obviously #1. MaxWeb also is one that he uses. So he goes through a few offers that he has, just in general how to find offers on ClickBank, on MaxWeb. A4D is another one. And then he has Offer Spotlight. So these are just basically overviews of offers that he's used to generate a lot of his funds. He talks about pretty in detail about how you can use those and be successful with them. And then if you go down here, he talks about images. Now images are huge because it all starts with that click, right? If you can't get someone to click, then you're not going to make the sale. There's no chance. He talks about having the right image and how much of a difference that makes, how to test images successfully to find one that's working for you. Talks about where he gets his designers, which is something cool. He actually shares them specifically so you can get more images than the ones he offers. He actually does offer images with the course. You can see what he uses. And then he talks about setting up the landing pages. Again, you register through ClickFunnels, how to set up your affiliate links, how to get your custom domain set up. And if you don't want to use ClickFunnels, he also shows you how to set up a PHP landing page. So then he goes through like the more detailed parts of Facebook as well. Talks about how to set up your business manager, launching your first campaign, setting up your fan page, setting up your Facebook campaigns and ad sets, how to set up your ads, how to create custom audiences. And then he also looks behind one of his successful campaigns so you can see what a full-blown campaign that's generating cash like a cash machine actually looks like. He talks about setting up your Facebook pixel. This is very important for tracking your sales and getting it right. How to place it on your ClickBank account and understanding your pixel analytics. This is huge because in the beginning you're buying data. It's probably going to cost a bit more to get a purchase than you actually receive in commission. But by knowing how to dig into your data and tweak things, you're going to be able to actually get profitable. Talks about tracking your campaign. He does offer a tracking spreadsheet that he had someone create that's really valuable. And then he has how to install tracking links to see which ad is actually creating the sale. So if sometimes Facebook doesn't always track all the sales, it's a great way to actually get more information about where the sales are coming from. He talks about scaling. Obviously, if you've never done it, spending $5 a day, $10 a day on ads can be a bit overwhelming. But once you start to grow, suddenly you're looking at spending $1,000 a day or $2,000 or $3,000 or $5,000 or $10,000. And going to that level of spend is a different animal completely, and it's nice to be led by someone who's done that and even farther. He talks about ninja tactics, how to reach out to affiliates, how to get unlimited spend. I will tell you one of the first things you're going to run into, even when you're running a successful campaign, is cash flow. Gives you some resources to use for spying on spying on Facebook ads. And how to take the best winning components of those ads and feature them in your own ads. He also talks about dealing with account shutdowns. Depending on the offer that you run, you can deal with shutdowns. He talks about how to deal with it, how to appeal, and if your appeals don't get anywhere with Facebook, he talks about what you can do to get beyond it and continue to grow your business and find that success. So that's really, really cool. This is really cool too. So he has bonuses that are $1 million landing pages. So sometimes, you basically can't run a Facebook ad directly to an offer. Facebook does not like that, but you can run it to a landing page. Now, the landing page basically pre-frames, so it tells people what the offer is, and basically the goal is to get them to click from there to the actual offer where you're selling the product. And not having that, not being sure if that's dialed in, can be a real hindrance. Well, he basically takes that guesswork out of that equation for you, because he gives you winning landing pages, both in PHP and ClickFunnels. He also has a $1 million ad copy and images, so he gives you what ad copy you're going to use and the images. Very big thing here is about mindset, because it's easy to get down on yourself, especially when you're trying things that you think will work, but they don't. He talks about how to maintain that positivity. Features spotlight offers. Here's the Snapchat marketing. He also talks about email marketing, how to set up Aweber, how to integrate Aweber with ClickFunnels. And then he offers, of course, the Inner Circle. Now, Inner Circle is a separate thing. It's a monthly fee. Every month you get a new offer that they highlight. You also get a special group just for Inner Circle members. That's awesome. I mean, every week you get a webinar where everybody gets on a live call and you can ask Robby. It's like a hot seat. You get to ask Robby your questions. He answers them. He can look through your campaigns, and also the course has been out long enough where there's quite a few successful people out there, and so they actually are very active in that group, helping you and inspiring you. That's probably the biggest value that we've gotten out of the entire course. And you can see that each month they'll unlock the offer, and then you basically get everything. You get custom audiences even. You get, the new landing pages, you get the images, you get the copy, you get all this extra stuff. You also, as a member of Commission Hero, will have special arrangements because Robby has pull. Obviously, he's the number one ClickBank affiliate. He has pull with these vendors, and so he can get you, sometimes they'll have a 75% payout, but if you sell like 50 units a week, they'll bring you up to 90% commission. Well, with Robby, because you have that relationship, he'll actually get you bumped up from day one to 90% on some of these things. And that can be huge. I mean, that's dollars in your pocket off the bat that you can spend on advertising and scaling those campaigns. So Inner Circle is really valuable. Once you get in, I suggest you do check it out. Course itself has a very vibrant Facebook page and like community and group, and so I think it's definitely something worth checking out. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, I hope to see you inside and say hi. Have a great day.